Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find a check routing number. Alright, let's begin. First of all, when you look at the bottom of a check, you'll see a series of numbers. It might seem like just a random string of digits, but each of those numbers has a very specific purpose. First up, the routing number. This is usually the first set of 9 numbers on the left side of the check. It's like an address that tells the bank where the check is coming from. Think of it as the bank's zip code. Every bank has its own unique routing number, and it's used to identify that particular bank in transactions. So, if you're setting up a direct deposit, paying bills, or even transferring money, you'll often need this number. Next, right next to the routing number, you'll find your account number. This is typically longer than the routing number, anywhere from 10 to 12 digits, and it's unique to your specific account within that bank. Think of this as your apartment number within the bank's big building. If the routing number is the address of the bank, your account number is your unique spot in that location. When you're transferring money or setting up certain payments, companies will ask for this number to ensure they're dealing with the correct individual account. There's also a third set of numbers, usually the shortest one, and that's the check number. This is pretty straightforward. It simply matches the number at the top right corner of the check and is used to keep track of and reference each check you write. So that's basically how you can find a check routing number. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.